Hi, today I'm giving my e-bike battery sticker a slick epoxy makeover with a custom tinted effect. First, I prepared my workspace and gathered all the essentials. Structural black epoxy with combined dispenser and clear epoxy with resin labeled A and hardener labeled B to create a unique tinted effect. I started with a small amount of structural black epoxy directly from its combined dispenser, then pouring equal parts resin A and hardener B of the transparent epoxy into the mixing container. Gradually adding more transparent epoxy until I achieve the perfect tint. After thoroughly mixing them together, I created a stylish tinted look with added strength and durability. Next, I evenly applied the tinted epoxy mix over the battery sticker, making sure to spread it uniformly for a smooth professional finish. I let the epoxy cure completely for 24 hours. Patience during this step ensures a flawless, bubble-free result. Here's the final product, an elegant tinted epoxy cover that's durable, waterproof and beautifully enhances the battery's appearance. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this DIY, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more e-bike adventures.